Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of kitchen cabinets. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful kitchen cabinets collection. So share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of beautiful kitchen cabinets decoration ideas. I really hope that they will love these most amazing designs and most amazing collection. So you know very well, different people have different choices and they love different type of themes. In this video you will see different decent themes and different decent and unique designs of kitchen cabinets. Must try these beautiful designs on your kitchen for more beautiful and luxury look. Thank you everyone for watching this video. For those people who are searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your home decoration. If you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, like the video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Remember, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends. See you soon. Bye bye.